Billionaire wife Regina Daniel gifted fans 2 million naira as a gift for her birthday to mock Nedwoko villagers. Tonto Dike finally responds to his ex-husband Chochi and his wife Rosalie. My correct people, before I go dey tell una wetin dey shele, make I first hail una my correct people. Hello my wonderful kings and queens, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, this na the matter when e dey shele for today. The matter come be say e concern Regina Daniel and e come still concern Tonto Dike. So make I first dey take am for the side of Regina Daniel. We come dey see some kind video which I go drop the short clip for una make una sef listen by una sef. Say Regina Daniel come dash one of her fans or whether na her friend 2 million naira. That is 2 million when be say get hand and leg. He can't say in dash and take do birthday for her. Hey, my correct people. As I see the video, I can't look the comment section. Make I see waiting people they talk and waiting they think. My people, behold, the thing when I see for them, I see many people they ask, say, God, when it will reach my side. Some of them said, even they courage now, Daniel, Mama, remember me. Hey, my people. Me, myself, when be Lady G, I go talk the matter the way I take think am. If na dey watch my video, na go know say na so I take dey talk. I dey talk am the way e be. So make we talk the truth wey dey for inside this matter. Regina Daniel, we dey see am for some time now. The way we be say e dey take dey throw money up and down. For Regina Daniel to carry a whole 2 million, e go come dash person say na birthday take and do am for. Make una remember say all this money when Regina Daniel take dey do all these things, when e be say today e go put 10 million.
My girl here gave me 2 fucking million naira. Can you imagine that? Sammy! That's how we do it.
Data for your phone. Tomorrow go we here's now 30 million. You take do this one, I take do that one for things when you say they're not today necessary. Make we remember say na Nedwoko money and na billionaire na Nedwoko talk say na him be. So till today, even though say we not really to know waiting Nedwoko they read they do like that, apart from saying our malaria business when they tell us every day. Now that will be the only thing when me I know say they don't already they carry come out for social media every time. So all of us know say this money when Regina Daniel they scatter for everywhere. Nobody money when they pay for her movie. Yes, we know say na actress now she be. No be money when they pay Regina for her movie, not be it they do all this one. We know say na Nedwoko money. And sometimes now my people when they hear say people from Ugboko village when be say now from Nedwoko village, when they cry come out they talk how this man they grab land for their hand, they take them from the poor widow, the vulnerable. That is people when be say they don't get voice to talk. If they collect all their lands, if they collect all the things when belong to them by force, at the end of the day go still put them for kirikiri. All of us they hear the news. Even some few days ago, even still get one when be say go viral. In case you never watch am, if you go through my channel you go see am, and it's something go viral for the whole social media. Many people say they can do video when this poor girl they cry has and Nedwoko they collect their land, they go carry their papa and their mama, their uncle and their brothers, go put them for kirikiri. You go carry them go Abuja where be say they no go fit waka reach, and he go give conditions when be say the people no go fit meet up to lie so that they no go fit come out for inside that kirikiri. So my correct people, all this money when Regina Daniel they flaunt around, don't you think that all this money no dey enough for Nedwoko to go buy his own land down for? So they follow all these poor people, they drag their land, they silence them like that unnecessarily. So if Regina Daniel fit they flaunt this money like that, that's me say Regina Daniel gets power to take Nedwoko, make it stop all this bad thing when they do poor people. That means say Regina Daniel na part of it. Yes, my people, now part of it, because if Regina Daniel they spend Nedwoko money like this one not be money when Regina Daniel take in hand work. Money when Regina Daniel take in hand work, you know, if they spend that like this. And I don't believe say Regina Daniel herself go art film, abi go art movie. They go pay her 1 million, they go pay her 2 million for a whole. That is not be a day when they say that they do maybe that before they shoot that movie go take months, then they won't carry the salary give Regina Daniel. Then Regina Daniel will just carry her once, he go dash somebody, or he go carry her once, he go take and buy waist beat for Jaruma, he go carry her once, he go take and fee phone on her net money. That means say for Regina Daniel to use all this money unnecessarily, that means say they don't really need the money. I believe say Ned just dey do am out of im own selfishness and wickedness, because the way I dey look this thing, people no dey look am the way me I dey look am. Can you just imagine? People wey be say you collect their land, you collect their only source of living, then una go come here, come social media, come dey flaunt the money, take am dey do unnecessary things. You carry 2 million, you dash somebody for birthday. Before somebody go dash person 2 million, according to Shio, you know say Regina Daniel dey like notice me. I don't know that na true, but na the one wey me I hear and the one wey I see now I dey tell now. So which I go still put the video make una hear by una sef. No be Lady G, no be forge am.
My girl here gave me 2 fucking million naira. Can you imagine?
Before you go dey do that one, that means say she no really get wetin she wan take money do. So why don't you convince your husband? That means you have the power. Why don't you convince your husband? Make it gather all this money when you take dey play, take dey do toy, take dey do unnecessary things. Make una take and go buy una land. Make una no dey follow people, dey drag their own, and dey look for free land. So my people, I don't know how na see am, but because the way I take see the thing na so I take bring am for now. So this na wetin dey happen right now when I see the video, I say I need to share am with una. Make una sef still shook una mouth put. Make una sef still talk am how una see am, whether all these things, whether e dey necessary. That means say Nedewoko get the money if he really wan buy that land, but he just wan dey show all these people nine say na him be alpha and omega, say he get power, he go fit do and undo, and nobody go ask am wetin dey happen. That na the country when we dey live. So my correct people, I go leave this one for this side though. Make una sef put una mouth, make una drop una own comment below at the comment section how una see am. If update still dey the matter, I go still let una know. But I go leave una for here, make I bounce to the other side of the gist. So this one now dey concern Tonto Dike. My people, una know say since all these days, this Roselyn, when e be say supposed to be Churchy wife, e can't end up to be no, when e supposed to be Churchy sister, e can't end up to be a wife. Make una no vex so. Na slip of tongue. Una know say as e dey call itself sister, wife, sister. So sometimes the thing dey confuse us. We know say for some days now, the way e be say body dey cash am up and down for social media, na so she dey do like Ikolo when be like say they pack salt put for her body. She no wan stay one place. She no wan relax. She no wan fame. She dey throw shade up and down. And everybody knows say now Tonto Dike, now she and the husband, when they call Churchy, they try dey throw shade. Because say Tonto Dike don't be person be say he don't dey born again. Say in a rugged for Jesus now. Say they talk again, not just be say because of that one they just can take advantage of and take her head they play band. Tonto Dike finally now he don't respond. So many people not talk say Tonto Dike don't come again. E get where they go push goats reach. E get where you go push goats reach. Everybody knows say goat abi sheep, they very very gentle. But e get where you go push and reach, e go come bite you. Now it be this Tonto Dike and this Churchy My people, finally Tonto Dike can't respond. This one are the thing when she respond to them. I go read them for now and I go still drop this screenshot for now. And for me the thing looks so mature. Make I read them for now, my correct people. He come talk say dear women stroke man, if an ex is still your type, then you have failed. Walai yo, wrong. He comes to say dear women stroke men, we level up, not to go back to our vomit. Then he can't put hashtag, he can't write growth is very necessary in all aspects of life. He can't still put hashtag again. By all means, grow. Hashtag grow. Make you understand your wrongs. Yes, my correct people. That one na the answer when it fits them. So me, I don't see anything when it too dey wrong for there. When some people still dey, when they say they still drag Tonto Dike, say you don't come again, your own self still too much, make yourself still keep quiet. My people, I want make una self shook mouth put whether waiting Tonto Dike talk for there, whether anything self dey when it dey wrong. When they say these people since how many years now now they drag this woman, una no wan leave am, as Churchy they drag am, now so the same his sister wife they drag am, and Churchy when be the husband self no even tell the woman say you come on for social media and leave this woman alone. Whether she when be the Roselyn they fear say Tonto Dike fit still come back again. I don't know whether I make her she dey do all these things when she dey do. But if na that one be waiting, she dey think Tonto Dike don't make her understand. Say she no fit go back to waiting. She don't already throw away. My correct people, I want make una self still shook mouth put to make una self still talk and whether Tonto Dike talk am well, abi she for just kukuma just keep quiet. She keep quiet reach, make she just leave them, make dem continue dey play band on top of her head. I wan make una drop una all comment below at the comment section how una see am. Yes, my correct people, na here I go hang my matter and my tori today. I go leave una for here. Abeg, if e be say na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you like my videos and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throway ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. And una wey be my correct ogbonge returning subscriber, my viewers, God go bless una, appreciate una so much. God go continue dey bless una as e dey bless una. When una take dey help me dey watch my video and una dey promote, na una dey give me the courage wey make me see I fit still dey grow like this. So I go see una very soon for my next video wey no go too take from now. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.